Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News: Ohio man steals 712 Bitcoin from brother, sentenced to prison. Gary James Harmon will spend 4 years in prison after stealing crypto assets that law enforcement tried to seize from his brother. Gary James Harmon of Ohio was sentenced to 4 years and 3 months in prison for stealing 712 Bitcoin that belonged to his brother, the U.S. Department of Justice has announced. Harmon pleaded guilty to criminal charges in January, faced with 1 count each of wire fraud and obstruction of justice, carrying a maximum sentence of 40 years combined. The 712 Bitcoin in question, worth over $21 million at today's prices, was taken by Harmon after the arrest of his brother in February 2020. According to the Justice Department, the funds were worth around $4.8 million at the time they were taken. Harmon's brother, Larry Dean Harmon, was arrested in February 2020 for operating a coin mixing service called Helix, which processed over 350,000 Bitcoin between 2014 and 2017 and partnered with several darknet markets, the Justice Department said. Larry Dean Harmon later pleaded guilty to a money laundering conspiracy and charges associated with the improper transmission of money in 2021. In addition to criminal charges, Larry Dean Harmon was hit with a $60 million penalty by the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN, the first penalty levied against a Bitcoin mixer. As part of that prosecution, law enforcement seized several assets, including a cryptocurrency storage device that couldn't be accessed initially due to certain security features, the Justice Department said. Gary James Harmon was able to covertly send himself 712 Bitcoins on the device by recreating Bitcoin wallets with his brother's credentials. Harmon then laundered the assets further, sending the freshly taken Bitcoin to 2 other online mixing services, authorities said. When he agreed to hand over assets that stemmed from the 712 Bitcoin he took illegally, he agreed to forfeit cryptocurrencies that included 17.4 million Dogecoin, around 647 Bitcoin, and just over 2 Ethereum, altogether valued in excess of $20 million by the Justice Department. Though advocates of coin mixers have called them necessary tools for maintaining the privacy of crypto transactions, government officials have taken aim at the services, deriding them as crucial to hackers and other bad actors. Coin mixers obfuscate the source and destination of funds by grouping various transactions together. And last summer, the U.S. Treasury Department announced sanctions against the coin mixer Tornado Cash, essentially banning people in the U.S. from engaging with the application. The Treasury Department said Tornado Cash was being used by the North Korean state-sponsored hacking organization, Lazarus Group. The move drew condemnation from politicians like Representative Tom Emmer and the whistleblower Edward Snowden, who called it a do-or-die moment for crypto. The crypto policy nonprofit Coin Center is currently suing the Treasury Department, accusing it of government overreach in blacklisting the tool. And though his trial is pending, a Dutch court recently ruled that a Tornado Cash developer named Alexei Pertsev could be released on bail after spending 9 months in detention. Pertsev noted his freedom on Twitter on Friday, wondering what had gone on in the crypto space since he was arrested last August. Price prediction: Bitcoin price today is $29,390 with a 24-hour trading volume of $40.04 billion, market cap of $568.86 billion, and market dominance of 47.21%. The BTC price increased 0.51% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from May 1, 2023 at 0:46, the general Bitcoin price prediction sentiment is bullish, with 29 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 2 signaling bearish signals. BTC price prediction was last updated on May 1, 2023 at 0:46. Bitcoin key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $29,248, Bitcoin has support levels of $29,071, $28,926, and the strongest at $28,749. Similarly, Bitcoin resistance levels are at $29,394, $29,570, and $29,716. Bitcoin reached its highest price on November 10, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $68,770, while Bitcoin's lowest price was recorded on July 17, 2010 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.050000. The lowest price since its ADH was $15,599, cycle low. The highest BTC price since the last cycle low was $30,956, cycle high. The Bitcoin price prediction sentiment is currently bullish, while fear and greed index is showing 60, greed. Bitcoin's current circulating supply is 19.36 MBTC out of max supply of 21.00 MBTC. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 1.73%, meaning 329,138 BTC were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Bitcoin is currently ranked number 1 in the proof-of-work coin sector and ranked number 1 in the Layer 1 sector. Bitcoin is currently trading above the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The 200-day SMA has been signaling buy for the last 107 days, since January 13, 2023. The price of Bitcoin is currently above the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling buy for the last 48 days, since March 13, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 471 days ago, on January 14, 2022. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on February 6, 2023, which was 83 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Bitcoin's 200-day SMA will rise in the next month and will hit $23,353 by May 30, 2023. Bitcoin's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $29,581 by May 30, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 55.40, which indicates that the BTC market is in a neutral position. According to our current Bitcoin price prediction, the value of Bitcoin is predicted to rise by 1.47% and reach $29,842 by May 5, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bullish while the fear and greed index is showing 60, greed. Bitcoin recorded 1530, 50%, green days with 3.39% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Bitcoin forecast, it's now a good time to buy Bitcoin. Comparing Bitcoin against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Bitcoin price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Bitcoin price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, BTC price prediction for year 2026 is $564,973 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Bitcoin would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $64,811. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.